Winter Open Airgun Shooting Competition laga third edition de Airgun 10-meter break barrel kane Likia Community Hall Woka Town Bar Friday de lucia aru yate 28 participants thagishe. Program ge 40 Assam Rifles Lieutenant Colonel D.S. Kushwa ke chief guest matishe. Competition de elimination round tinta thagishe aru final round de Nchumbemo Patton pra jitilushe. Maden Muri aro Nchumbemo audio pra second aro third place lushe. Organizers pra jonaishe ki taikan shooter kurubole mon thagya kan ge anigina national aro state level competitions kan de participate kurubole hands on experience de bole koshish ase. Champion pra 20,000 cash prize jitishe. First runner up pra 15,000 aro second runner up pra 7,000 cash jitishe. Top 10 kan sub 5,000 paishe.
Presentation kita just we get lots of feedback from the participants. Thank you so much for your valuable feedbacks. Feedback we often hear that even outdoor in the Kidawa we get lots of feedback since the first tournament. The reason why we insist on taking this tournament indoor is tournament hija edewokhay na pertas jena thaki so domi to kadala hiya sha ovungi chochena to je a plan do lu jona and state level da chongwa chasana 10-meter airgun shooting competition jo indoor event chojona. We want you to acclimatize with that situation. Indoor in a koda mujona we want you to go forward. Therefore, outdoor in a social even for us also for the organizers also less expenditure and very easy to organize. Kataliana Alamodo struggle so indoor in a kida, we want you to go forward. And when you go forward, even to the state level, 10-meter airgun shooting competition is an indoor event. Kama happy na outdoor in the elements one course qualified to mana wall and what you indoor at home. What situation acclimatizing to one asana just in vision or just so general models of also just gonna indoor in a kida gonna please bear with us. Looking into the future, that is why indoor in a kida have clarification or some gana feedback yamono jodesan then thank you so much. We will straight away go with the presentation. We will start with the consolation prizes. 7 consolation prizes. Kindly receive your certificates and the cash prize. Okay, so the 7 consolation prize winner are M. Rensat Audio. M. Rensat Audio. Consolation prize winner will get a citation and a cash. Mr. Nchumbemo Audio will walk away with a cash prize of 7,000 citation and the winning shot